Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So my brother-in-law's AC is not working, so it's almost a similar problem like mine. So you just need to go to the circuit breaker right now. As you can see, it says the AC. I'm turning both units off. So I'm heading back to the AC unit, got my tools. So I think the front one is the upstairs one because I just shut it off and I saw the fans not was turning. So this is the bad unit. So I pull out the disconnect box already over there, and this is for the downstairs one. So the upstairs is not working, or he said the fan is not, this one's not working, the fan's not turning. So I'm gonna go ahead and then remove this panel right here, and then the capacitor is inside here. Okay, I use a socket this size. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, to remove the bolts. There are 4 bolts. And then you take out this panel right here.
Yeah, I bought this one purple.
It's upside down. So this is a capacitor that's going back. 5 volt. Disconnect those wire. Make sure the wire is correct. There are 3 wires. The middle one is red because one is common, HERM, and then fan. Normally there's 2 capacitors. I'm not sure why you only got 1. We at again. So here was an old capacitor. I'm not sure you can see the lump right there. Maybe that's why it's got damaged. So there is a HERM on this side, and then common, and then fan. So be sure you gotta connect it back the way it is. So this is the oval cylinder, and then I got this is the oval capacitor, and I got the cylinder one. So it should be okay as long as you have the same spec. So I just need to modify the way to put it back in because of this wiring. Be sure to turn off your circuit breaker and remove the disconnect box. And when you put it back on, make sure the on position is on top, else your condenser fan is not going to go on. Okay? If you put it upside down like that, if it stays off, it's not going to go on. So I gotta put my glove and then use this plier to connect it back. Okay? So we'll be back. So here we are. I make sure all the wires are connected together. We're supposed to go back. The red one is the common, purple one is for the fan, and then the yellow one is for the HERM on this unit. So yours may be different, okay? So now we're going to connect it back. You don't want to over tight the capacitor too much, as long as it doesn't jiggle. Okay. And then that's it. We're gonna put the fuse back. I'm gonna test out first, and then go to the circuit breaker and turn it back on. And then I'll go to your control panel and turn it on. Ask my niece and nephew to go turn on the unit for the upstairs. We're gonna test it out. Hopefully it's not gonna blow. So we're gonna wait and see, guys. So cross our fingers. It seems like it's working, so we're gonna run about like 2 or 3 minutes and see, okay? Alright guys, so we all set. We've been tested out for a couple minutes. Inside is very cool and everything, so like in business. So make sure you put all the bolts back. 1, 2, 3. 4. Alright, and then we were just testing out earlier, so now I'm gonna put back this fuse again. Okay, make sure you close it. If you have a lock, it's better to lock it up. So that's upstairs, and then downstairs unit. Downstairs unit is bigger because I guess the square footage is bigger. You know, these ashes due to the fire. Alright, so I'm just gonna turn this back on and then put it back. This one, the door is kind of different. You gotta close up first and then push up. Whoa, hold on. You see the gap, so you gotta push up now. And then you're all set. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification, guys, and drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video guys. Like always, peace.